How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to be talking about my 2023 print farm, and I say print farm with quotations because I don't know what the qualification for farm is, but currently only have 3 running printers at the house. So let's take a look and see what I got here. So you all may have already seen these printers on my YouTube shorts or TikToks. Are running within enclosures. One thing that's cool about this printer setup is I have my Raspberry Pi camera over here, and it uses infrared. So to get stills, it just does not require me to have any particular lights. So other than the bed size, we have a PEI sheet. We have Raspberry Pi connected, upgraded extruder, and I did also correct a power supply issue when I first got it. Alright, moving on to the next one here. This is my LK5 Pro. I've been running this guy since last January. It's almost 1 year. So this guy's birthday is coming up here soon. And this guy is 300 by 300 by 400. Also done a video on this with shorts and TikToks on upgrades, but real quick, let's talk about it since I have you here. So we have a dual rod Z-axis, we have a upgraded extruder, we have an enclosure, of course, this guy right here. We have LEDs because I try to do a 4K Raspberry Pi camera to do stills, and that guy does not have infrared and honestly is not as reliable as the good old $20 camera with the Raspberry Pi. But yeah, I got my Raspberry Pi over here, and the camera's somewhere in this area, currently collecting stills and doing the videos. But these prints that I'm doing here, I'm gonna probably have them in another video, more than likely a YouTube short. Okay, tracking, go away, go away. All right, guys, that's the 2 inside printers. We're gonna hop outside and look at my my resin printer. I currently have it separated outside the house because the fumes are a little bit too much for everyone in the house. So I'll see you in a moment. Let's go take a look. All right, we're making our way to the back. It's gonna be pretty dark, so we'll see if you can see it. All right, stepping inside. I hear a print still going on this guy, but you are in my utility room. And I got my printer right here behind me, so I need to upgrade the lights in here a little bit, but my printer's right here. Go ahead and turn a look at it. Whoosh. Nice sound effect. Alright, this hopefully won't be too terrible. So this is one of my projects I'm working on. Not sure if you guys will recognize that little fella. I'm letting him dry, and then I'm going to cure him. But let's open this guy up, and we'll check on the print that's going on. See if I can tell whether or not it's successful. So let's get this open. Let's see here. How are you doing in there? Oh, I can't tell. It's not high enough. That's fine. Alright, guys, what you just saw was my Saturn S. Let's see. The size on my Saturn S is 196 by 122 by 210. This is my newest printer, and I did have a Creality printer before this one that was a resin printer. Currently my dad has that one, and he also has a Saturn S. So he has a couple of the printers over there at his house as well. But this printer has been a champ. I love this printer. I've had it for maybe 2 to 3 to 4 months max. And I've been doing nothing but non-stop printing. My resin of choice is water washable because it's just so easy to do things in this utility room that require water and not isopropyl alcohol. So I'll do another video talking about my process and what I like to do when it comes to the prints in this room. But to give you more details, I'll show you now once more. This is my Saturn S in the enclosure, not to keep the fumes in, but to keep the heat in, because this is not a climate-controlled room, and it actually has a heater. And it actually has a heater inside the enclosure with the printer. Now, because I have that, of course, I don't run multi-day prints. I only run maybe 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours, and I make sure I come in here, do my cleanup, turn off the heater every night. It's just a safety precaution that I take. Probably not one that I have to do, but I feel better when I do it. So let's go back to the office and get out of this dingy room. We'll see you in a moment. All right, guys, we are back in the office here with the 2 internal printers. Alright guys, so that's my updated 2023 print farm. I would call this the beginning of the year because, don't tell my wife, but I'm thinking about buying 1 or 2 more printers. So if you guys have any good excuses or good reasons for me to get another printer, I would love to have those in the comment section. Yeah, that is about it. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick 2023 print farm update video. More to come. Keep it quiet. Don't tell my wife, but there's at least 2 more printers I'm going to be adding, or I feel like I want to add. I got some more thinking I need to do, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to talk myself out of it. But guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.